Welcome back to our Kitchen Faucet channel. Today, we're diving into the world of kitchen upgrades with a review of the VFAUOSIT Touchless Motion Sensor Smart Hands-Free Bar Laundry RV Utility Sink Kitchen Faucet. If you're looking to enhance both the functionality and style of your kitchen, you're in the right place. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews and tips. Now, let's get into it. The VFAUOSIT Touchless Motion Sensor Smart Hands-Free Faucet is a revolutionary product designed to provide convenience and hygiene in various settings such as bars, laundries, RVs, utility sinks, and kitchens. This innovative faucet utilizes motion sensor technology to allow users to operate it without physical contact, reducing the risk of spreading germs and promoting a more sanitary environment. Here are some of the specific features I love about the VFAUOSIT Touchless Motion Sensor Smart Hands-Free Bar Laundry RV Utility Sink Kitchen Faucet. Touchless technology. The innovative touchless design of the touchless brushed nickel kitchen faucet allows you to easily activate the faucet with a simple wave of your hand, promoting a clean and convenient kitchen experience. Easy to maintain. The kitchen sink faucet with touchless technology changes the need for constant cleaning and reduces the chances of touching the faucet handles with dirty hands. It helps keep the kitchen space and food preparation areas safer and cleaner. Durable and long-lasting, constructed from high-quality SUS 304 stainless steel materials, which are treated with a 7-layer finish processing. The touchless sink faucet with pull-down sprayer is sturdy and rust-free. It is built to withstand daily use and maintain its appearance over time, ensuring durability and longevity. 3-mode sprayer. The touchless kitchen faucet provides a choice of aerated stream for non-splash cleaning and filling, a powerful sprayer for rinsing or pause, meet various of using requirement. 5-year guarantee. The smart pull-down kitchen faucet with sprayer perfectly fits for almost all kitchen sinks, such as a bar sink faucet, camper kitchen faucet, or laundry sink faucet. Your satisfaction is our top priority. We offer a 5-year guarantee for this touchless kitchen faucet. VFAUOSIT Touchless Motion Sensor Smart Hands-Free Faucet. Pros and cons. Pros: touchless convenience, 3 spray modes, stainless steel construction, single hole mount, 5-year warranty depending on retailer. Cons: battery replacement if applicable, limited brand information. Overall, the VFAUOSIT faucet offers touchless convenience and multiple spray modes, making it a good option for specific needs. However, potential sensor issues, limited brand info, and the need for battery replacements if applicable should be considered. Researching reviews and comparing it to similar models from established brands can help you decide if it's the right choice for you. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Kitchen Faucet for more reviews and home improvement tips, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or if you've already tried the VFAUOSIT Touchless Motion Sensor Smart Hands-Free Faucet. Until next time, happy kitchen upgrading!